Hello everyone, and welcome back. It already seems like a long week up here at the camper. Work has been real busy. And tonight now, I had stuff cooked from when I was up to the tent, which ran out yesterday. I stretched it out for a few days. And so tonight now I have to cook, and I have 3 pork chops that I thawed out. And I wanted to do them on the fire. Well, then I knew it was supposed to rain tonight, but I didn't know when. So then I looked at the radar and it was like, oh my gosh, I better hurry up and get that fire going. I have a little bit of time. I'm up here, but all this rain is coming up. So, and a lot of these were, you know, it's all going up. So I better get these cooked right now, or I'm not going to be doing it. I'll be doing it in the microwave or something. I've never done the convection oven before. I'm going to see how a potato turns out in there. Let's see, convection. 380 degrees. I don't know, if this was a regular oven, that would take 35 to 40 minutes. We'll try 4 minutes and see what it's like. It's a microwave. No, it takes a lot longer than a microwave will. So we'll leave it on longer. We have time. I was just out there checking that fire to see if it was ready, and I can hear thunder off over this way, so I better get these on right now. I need a longer handled tong. I think I have some up here. I'll have to look. Starting to rain a little bit. Air conditioner came on now. I have a package of pork steaks in the freezer. I think I'm going to take those out and do those next week. The pork chops, they just don't have enough fat on them to really cook nice like a pork steak does. They taste good, but it's just not the same. At least I'm cooking these up over some apple wood, so it smells good. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. I think I'm going to grab me a glass of milk. I will see you guys on the next video.